If your microphone isn't working on Discord, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you all the steps you need to take to fix this issue. So first thing you want to do is launch up the Discord app, and then we want to come into settings at the bottom here and then scroll down and select voice and video. Inside of here you want to select the correct input device. Now this will be the microphone you have connected to your computer. For me it's this one. And you also want to make sure that your input volume is turned up to 100%. What we then want to do is hit this let's check button, and we can check if our microphone is working. And if you can see volume bars here, it indicates that your microphone is working, which is great. But if you don't see anything, then that means Discord is not detecting your microphone. Then in this input mode here, we want to make sure voice activity is selected. We can then come out of Discord, and the next thing we want to check is our sound settings on our computer. So come to your desktop, and you want to come to the taskbar and locate this volume icon. And right click and select sound settings. Scroll down until we come to the input section. And again, you want to make sure your microphone is selected under this input section, and also that the volume is turned up to 100%. If your microphone isn't showing under the input device, then it probably needs connecting, which you can do by clicking this add device button and then just following the steps on screen to connect it. Once we finished in this window, we can come down to the advanced section and you want to select more sound settings. Come over to the recording tab, and you want to locate the microphone that you're currently using. Mine is this one here. First of all, make sure the microphone is actually enabled. As you can see, it's got a green tick next to mine. But if it's disabled, it will look something like this and it will say disable next to it. And to enable it, simply just right click and select enable. Once we've done that, we want to select our microphone and come into properties inside of the advanced tab. And where it says signal enhancements, you want to make sure that enable audio enhancements is unchecked. And then you can just press apply and OK to save the changes. We also want to make sure that Discord has the correct app permissions to access the microphone, which we can do by heading to the Windows menu and searching for the word settings. Tap the settings icon and then click on the privacy and security tab. And we want to scroll all the way down to microphone and select this. Then just make sure that microphone access and let apps access your microphone is both set to on. Now if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, the last and final thing we can do is update our sound drivers. To do this, just head over to an internet browser and you want to come to the website called drivereasy.com. Scroll all the way down the page until you come to the download section and then just hit this download button here. Once you've installed it and downloaded the app, simply launch it from your computer, then just press this scan now button. What this is going to do is it's going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers, and it's going to make updating them super easy. Once the scan's complete, what you're looking for is any outdated audio drivers. You can tell if it's an audio driver because it will have this sound icon next to it, and then you simply just come into the update button next to it and follow the steps to update the outdated driver. You can press this update all button at the bottom here, but this is part of the paid plan, so I'd recommend just sticking to the free version and coming into each of them one by one. Hopefully by now your microphone is working, but if not, this indicates an issue with your actual microphone rather than the Discord app. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.